Ever wondered how some people seem to make a fortune just by recommending products online? You see them on social media, on their blogs, and even in your email inbox. They share their experiences with a product, and the next thing you know, you're clicking on their link to buy it. And suddenly, it hits you. They're not just sharing for the sake of sharing, they're earning from it too. Now you might be scratching your head thinking, how does this work? It almost feels like magic, right? One minute, they're singing praises about a product, and the next, they're cashing in on your purchase. But let me tell you, it's not magic. It's not even a secret club that only a few can join. No, it's something much more accessible and, dare I say, quite ingenious. Welcome to the world of affiliate marketing, a world where your love for products and your ability to share that love can turn into a lucrative venture. It's a world where your recommendations can earn you a pretty penny, all while helping others discover products they'll love. Now, I know what you're thinking. That sounds great, but it also sounds too good to be true. And I get it. The internet is rife with schemes and scams that promise quick money for little work. But affiliate marketing isn't one of them. It's a legitimate way to earn money online, and it's been around for quite some time. In fact, some of the biggest companies in the world use affiliate marketing as a way to boost their sales and reach more customers. But here's the best part. You don't need to be a big company or a marketing guru to get into affiliate marketing. All you need is a product you believe in, a platform to share your experience, and an audience who trusts your recommendations. And with the right strategy, you can turn your recommendations into a revenue stream. So, are you ready to dive into the world of affiliate marketing? Are you ready to turn your love for products into a profitable venture? What if I told you that this is all possible through something called affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing, in its simplest form, is earning a commission by promoting other people's or companies' products. Now let's break it down a bit. Picture this. You're a fan of a particular brand of coffee. You love it so much that you tell all your friends about it. Each time one of your friends buys a bag of this coffee because of your recommendation, the company gives you a small percentage of the sale. That's affiliate marketing in a nutshell. At its core, affiliate marketing involves 3 key steps. First, you choose a product you enjoy or believe in. This could be anything from a brand of coffee to a software program. The most important thing is that you genuinely believe in the product's value, because your enthusiasm will be infectious and more likely to convince others to buy. Next, you promote the product to others. This could be through a blog, a YouTube channel, social media, or any other platform where you have an audience. The aim here is to convince your audience of the product's value and encourage them to make a purchase. Finally, for every sale made through your unique affiliate link, you earn a piece of the profit. This is your affiliate commission. The more people who buy the product based on your recommendation, the more money you make. So, in essence, affiliate marketing is a win-win scenario. The company wins because they get increased sales and visibility. You win because you earn a commission. And the customer wins because they discover a new product they'll hopefully love, thanks to your recommendation. But let's not get ahead of ourselves. It's not as easy as just picking a product, promoting it, and watching the commissions roll in. It requires strategic planning, consistent effort, and a deep understanding of your audience and what they value. It sounds simple, right? Now let's dive into how it actually works. The process of affiliate marketing can be broken down into a few key steps. Imagine yourself at the beginning of a journey through the world of affiliate marketing. You're standing at the starting line, and the road ahead may seem daunting, but don't worry, we're here to guide you through it. The first step in this journey is finding a product that you like, and more importantly, one that you would recommend. This is crucial, because your recommendation carries weight. It's a testament to your trust in the product, and that trust translates into credibility with your audience. So take your time and choose wisely. Once you've found the right product, you're ready for the next step, promoting it to others. Now, this might sound simple, but there's a bit more to it. You see, promotion isn't just about telling others about the product, it's about telling a story. You're not just selling a product, you're selling an experience, a solution to a problem, a way to make life better. And the more compelling your story, the more likely your audience is to buy into it. But here's the catch. You can't just tell your story to anyone. You need to tell it to the right people, your target audience. These are the people who need what you're selling, the ones who will benefit from it the most. So, do your research, understand who your target audience is and what they want, and tailor your story to meet their needs. And finally, the last step, earning a profit. This is the part where your hard work pays off. For every sale that comes through your referral link, you earn a piece of the pie. The more sales you make, the bigger your slice. And remember, this isn't just about making money. It's about building relationships with your audience, providing value, and making a difference. These are the basic steps. But how do you make it work for you? The key to successful affiliate marketing is choosing the right product and the right audience. Now let's delve into the heart of the matter: product selection and audience understanding. These two elements are the lifeblood of your affiliate marketing strategy. Without them, your efforts may fall on deaf ears, or worse, empty pockets. So, how do you navigate these crucial steps to ensure your affiliate marketing success? The first step is product selection. It may seem like a no-brainer, but choosing the right product to promote is absolutely crucial. It's not just about picking something that's popular or trendy. It's about aligning the product with your platform, your brand, and most importantly, your audience. You see, your audience is the backbone of your business. They're the ones who will click on your affiliate links and make purchases, ultimately driving your revenue. So it makes sense that you'd want to promote products that resonate with them. And to do that, you need to understand them. Understanding your audience goes beyond knowing demographics. It's about delving into their needs, their wants, their challenges, and their aspirations. What problems are they trying to solve? What goals are they trying to achieve? These are the questions that should guide your product selection. For instance, if your audience is primarily fitness enthusiasts, promoting a new high-tech treadmill might be a perfect match. On the other hand, if your audience is made up of avid readers, an ebook subscription service might be a better fit. Remember, the goal is to find a product that your audience not only wants but needs. A product that solves a problem or fulfills a desire. When you find that product and pair it with the right audience, you're setting the stage for a successful affiliate marketing campaign. But don't forget, choosing the right product and understanding your audience is just the start. You've laid the foundation and now it's time to build on it. So, you've selected a product and you know your audience, but how do you get the word out? Promoting your affiliate product is where the real work begins. Now you might be thinking, I've chosen my product, I've set up my platform, what's next? Well, it's time to get that product in front of potential customers. There are several ways to promote your affiliate product, and the method you choose largely depends on where your audience hangs out. If you're in a niche where your audience loves reading, running a blog could be a fantastic way to share your product. On your blog, you can write in-depth reviews, create tutorials, or share personal experiences about the product. The key is to provide valuable content that is both informative and engaging. Social media is another powerful tool in your promotional arsenal. Platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter allow you to reach a wide audience quickly and interactively. You can use these platforms to showcase your product, share customer testimonials, and even run contests or giveaways. But remember, social media is all about being social. Engage with your followers, respond to their comments, and be sure to share content that isn't purely promotional to keep them interested. Email marketing is yet another effective way to promote your affiliate product. By building an email list, you have direct access to an audience that is already interested in what you have to offer. You can send out newsletters, product updates, or exclusive offers to your subscribers. The beauty of email marketing is that it allows for personalization, making your audience feel unique and valued. Regardless of the method you choose, the golden rule of promotion is this: create engaging content. Content that resonates with your audience, content that solves their problems, content that makes them laugh, or content that inspires them. Because at the end of the day, people buy from people they trust, and by providing valuable, engaging content, you're not just promoting a product, you're building trust with your audience. So put in the work, create that content, and start promoting. Remember, the more effectively you promote your product, the more profit you'll earn.
Don't forget to subscribe, like and comment.